Hi there. In this video, we'll cover the PCI bracket selection for the HBA355e SAS host bus adapter. This adapter may be shipped as a drop-in box item alongside a 16th generation PowerEdge server. By default, this adapter is shipped with the low-profile PCI bracket. Alternatively, you should be provided with an optional full-height bracket. This gives you the option to choose a setup that best suits your needs and available PCIe slots within your host server. If you require to swap the low profile bracket to a full profile bracket, locate and remove the two retention screws shown here. It's recommended to use a number 2 size Phillips screwdriver to prevent wearing to the screw heads. Once the screws are removed, carefully remove the low profile bracket and set it aside. Align the full size bracket and reattach the same screws, taking care not to over tighten. Lower the card into your preferred PCIe slot and use the retention screw to screw into place. Again, taking care not to over tighten the screw. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out our links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.